There we have a poor crow that is stuck in some thread. You know that the line that he's used for kite. He's attempting to rescue himself but can't. Luckily, our administration guy is called for the rescue, so we have the rescue 112 teams. We have the team, they're all set to go, and the rescue, the poor bird still stuck up there. It's waving its wings in an attempt to rescue himself. One man is up there. They have these huge rods with a sickle at the end. They may be used to cut the thread. Planning how to rescue the crow. The poor bird got up there. While the one is stuck there, you see others circling around above in an attempt to help. Obviously, crows cannot help in this case, but you see they're all aware of the situation, the other birds. So you've seen birds have this connection, you know, this social connection. That's why they're circling around. It's impressive to see this connection, this social connection even among birds. While a member of their community is stuck up there, the others are anxiously flying up. Obviously they can help, but they show their care for the community member. Well, they are making all the possible efforts. They are most there. You see in the top, they have this stick with a sickle at the end. It will be used to cut the thread, the kite line. Come on. He's climbing up there. The job is a bit risky, but it is worth it because he is to help that poor soul stuck up there. Bravo, this guy. It's not hard to imagine how desperate this crow will be. Well, finally he got away. Very good job by this young guy up there and the team involved.